In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, I bear witness there's no God but God, and God is the only one who has the right to be worshipped. And I also bear witness that Prophet Moses, Prophet Jesus, and Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, are the messengers of God, and I seek refuge in Allah from the rejected Satan. So, greetings of peace and thanks for tuning in. May the peace and blessings of Allah be with you. We're going to be discussing Quran verse 1 through 8 in chapter 102, discussing the cause and effect of our actions. And this is some of the negative consequences of our actions, as we can see in these California wildfires. O people, your vying with one another to excel in multiplying worldly possessions diverts you from God and true values of life. Until on the death you embrace the graves. Nay, you should never hanker after worldly gains, power, and position. You shall come to know in time that you have been chasing a shadow. Nay, again, we repeat, never should you misuse your life of probation. You shall come to know the consequences of it in time. No, never. If you only knew the consequences thereof with sure and certain knowledge, you would certainly see the very hellfire in this present life by seeing the sad fate of the wicked. Again, you shall most certainly see it in the hereafter with the eyes of certainty. And then, on the day of reckoning, you shall be called to account for your favours bestowed upon you.